Good evening, everyone. I'm Jacqueline. So it's a good honor that today you all participate in this webinar. This webinar is a topic we'll talk about smart design and manufacturing in the Moldex3D. And if we change another word to say about smart design and manufacturing, actually it's also like a topic in here. It's called smart factory. Okay, and so we are going to talk about a smart factory in Industry 4.0 era. Okay, but what is smart factory and what is Moldex3D character and our idea in this one? Before we start, I would like to we would like to review about the history of the industry, and then we'll move on. So at the beginning, let's see, in each generation or each era, like era 1, 2, 3, 4, actually the development of the industry actually all follow one topic. One perspective is we want to save more money, but earn more money. Right, so like industry 1 era, like we have steam power, so we can use more machine, increase the profit. And then industry 2, we use assembly line to increase the efficiency. And the industry 3 era, also at this timing, CAE also came out. The automation technology help us to reduce the manpower, to reduce the pay under manpower. But how about Industry 4? Everyone will use a lot of words to explain about Industry 4.0. But how CAE work in the Industry 4.0 era? I think a lot how to do that. So it's hard to explain about the Moldex3D, the character, and our idea about Industry 4.0. So, but one day when I was chatting with my manager, he gave me this puzzle, and suddenly I feel it can explain very clearly about the prospect and our character in the Industry 4.0 era. You can see is how many parts in the car. Yeah, it seems like it's like a question that we never thought about. It's very common we see a car driving on the road, but have you ever think about like how many components exist in the car? And the answer is really amazing. A single car have about like 10,000 to 30,000 parts. And why I say it's related to our character in the Industry 4.0 era is because you can see so many parts, maybe 25,000, but all simply can use one software, Moldex3D. Then we can run a simulation. So it's an opportunity. It means opportunity. But it also means another word, vocabulary is called challenge. Because maybe like a holder, okay, or like a panel, the size is totally different. As you can see in here. And this part, the size is so big different and the feature is also different. It means that while we run the simulation, while you're doing this one, do the manufacturing, the challenge we'll face is totally different, and the process and the material we select, and also like temperature setting, what we need to consider is totally different. So I use the number in here. Want to explain two things. In the Industry 4.0, just like here, there are so many opportunities, but at the same time, so many challenges. So how to